Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix session expired on Facebook. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So there are the two reasons for this problem. So first is that if you are not connected with internet properly, that's why maybe you're facing the error like this. And second is that if your account is logged in the other device, maybe the person who is using your Facebook account has terminated all the session from his device. That's why maybe you're facing the error like this. Okay guys, so first of all guys, you have to close this page, and first of all you have to open the settings. Now turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn this off. Okay guys, by doing that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is still exists there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on general, then you have to tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. Now from here guys, you can also reset your network setting. Okay guys, just simply you have to reset your network settings. By doing that, your network setting will be reset, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now you can also check that you are using latest version of the app. So also you can upload that from your iPhone. From here guys, you have to go to iPhone storage. From here you have to tap on Facebook. So from here guys, you have to tap on upload the app and then reinstall it and check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the Facebook and you can log in your account again. Okay guys, just simply you have to put your phone number and you have to tap on forget password. Okay guys, because the person also has changed the password of your ID. Okay guys, if you have access to your phone number, just simply you have to put that phone number and you can easily reset your password. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.